Welcome to the How To in 2 Push-Up Edition. Starting in quadruped, place your hands under or just outside of your shoulders and hips over the knees. Also be sure to turn your biceps forward from the shoulders. Now draw your shoulder blades down the back and reach your chin and chest towards each other. Draw your belly button towards the spine. Finally, step the feet back to get into the high plank. For a more in-depth look at how to plank, click the card in the top right-hand corner of the screen now, or click the link in the description below. The scapular push-up is an excellent way to prepare the body for a regular push-up. Scap push-ups help stabilize and warm up the shoulders. Maintaining your high plank position with your elbows fully extended, allow the shoulder blades to reach together towards each other as they slide around the rib cage. This is known as retraction. Then reverse direction and reach the shoulder blades away from each other. This is known as protraction. Beginners can start with 1 to 2 sets of 10 reps as a warm-up prior to regular push-ups. Let's now look at the regular push-up. This common exercise is a great way to develop upper body strength. Scaling options will be shown later in this video. Be sure to keep your biceps facing forward so the elbows tuck into the sides of your body. Avoid flaring out your elbows, as it can lead to shoulder problems. The whole body from the crown of your head to your heels should drop to the floor in a straight line with only the chest touching the floor. Be sure to maintain this straight body position as you return back up to full elbow extension in the high plank. The breath rhythm in a push-up is as such. Inhale as you descend, and exhale as you push up from the floor. Again, breathe in as you bend your elbows, and breathe out as you extend your elbows. Common faults include extension of the neck, shrugging of the shoulders, sagging or arcing of the lower back, and rounding of the upper back. Another common fault is the lack of range of motion, not reaching the chest to the floor, and not achieving full arm extension at the top. You can start by scaling your push-ups on a high incline using a railing, counter, or back of a sturdy chair that won't slide on the floor. This can also be done as a knee push-up, again on a sturdy chair that won't slide on the floor, followed by a regular incline push-up on a chair. To the knee push-up on the floor, followed by the negative push-up where the focus is on lowering the body to the floor and performing either a knee push-up or sequencing the push by starting with the shoulders, hips, then knees. This isn't cheating. You will increase strength by performing the negative push-up. Finally, you can progress to the regular push-up. It's always best to perform push-ups with proper form and full range of motion to optimize strength gains and avoid injury. Beginners can start with 1 to 2 sets of 8 to 10 reps at their respective scaling level every other day. When done properly, the push-up is an excellent way to strengthen the chest muscles, anterior deltoids, and triceps, not to mention the stabilization and strength you will gain in your abdominals and throughout your body. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.